Hey there, Scratch friends. I want to help you make a 5-minute festive Scratch card. Start by getting in the editor, and let's name it Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. Super quickly after that, we're going to get a new backdrop. Visit google.com, type Christmas, press enter, and switch to images. Super quickly hit the tools, and we need to make sure that the size is exactly 640 by 480. Click the type, and we want to make sure that they are photos. I prefer ones that don't have words on it, so I'm going to click one that I think is pretty neat. Right click on the large picture, save that image as, and put it in your downloads folder. You can see I've already got 2. You'll want to get a second one as well. Move back to your Scratch project after you've got your 2 pictures. Click on the stage, and let's upload those new backdrops. I'm going to bring in my first one, which is the little yard with all the lights, and then I'm also going to bring in the second one, which is the cool red with the tree. I'm going to click on the original backdrop and delete it. I'm going to right click on the kitty, and I'm going to delete him as well, so click and delete. Like all our projects, let's start with a when clicked, and let's send a message when it's clicked. In our message, let's make it start. And then we need to pick which one of our pieces shows up first. So I'm going to put when I receive start, I want my looks to switch to backdrop. And I want it to always be the Christmas wallpaper. I need a cool button that lets me switch pages though, so let's draw that using our Paint a New Sprite. Let's switch to our vector mode. Let's draw a quick little button. Let's fill it with a cool color. Since this is red, I'm going to fill mine with green using the paint bucket. Pick a green, paint it. Click to that text tool, and I'm going to type the words click me. I can't have that be green though, so I'm going to click the white to make it so it's white. Switch to my pick tool and arrange it. I'm going to grab both those pieces by holding one and then holding shift and then clicking the other. And that lets me group them, and then I can place that button where I want it to be. There's my cool click me button. To make my holiday card epic, I'm going to switch to scripts on the click me button. When he receives start, he needs to show himself, so I'm going to do looks and I'm going to do show. When he is clicked, so I forgot to find the when this sprite is clicked, then I want him to switch backdrops using the simple switch backdrops. And then I want it to go to the other one, so I use the arrows. I think I'd like that button to go away, so I'm going to hide him after he does that. I'm also going to have him play a sound, but I'm going to have him play a super cool sound. I want us to upload it, and I'm going to have you do that by simply hitting browse, and then in your journals folder, I have put 3 different things you can pick from. I'm going to bring in the Jolly Laugh, and then I'm going to go back to my scripts, and I'm going to make it play the Jolly Laugh. You can test all 3 of those. I don't want the till done, so I'm going to click that. I just want the first Jolly Laugh, so it just plays it. Let's test our project quick. If we hit start and stop, there it is, it shows up. If I click me, there it is, it switches to the cool Jolly Laugh. I'm going to add one more sprite. Let's click that text. Let's switch to vector mode just because that's more small in the file sizes. Let's type Merry Christmas. Let's make it so our button controls Merry Christmas by making a new event so that when this is clicked, it sends a new message, and we're going to type new message and change it to say words. And then let's click on our sprite and give him when I receive a start, he needs to hide. So that means he's not on the first page. And then when he receives words, he is going to show himself. And let's have him repeat 10 times. Do a change color by 25 or whatever number you pick. And then have him wait. So if we test our card, there's the cool start. When we hit click me, he says Merry Christmas, and the colors change. Lots of room for you to make yours even more epic than me. I hope you have fun building it, and then when you're done, make sure you click Save Now, and then from the cool project page, you can share your project, and then you can copy this link up top and send it to anybody in the world who you want to send a Merry Christmas to. Hope you had fun. Please make sure yours turned out as epic, and if you have something cool, share it in the comments, like, comment, and subscribe.